How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can deploy a website on Render. So here I have my workspace. So this is newly created. As you can see, I could choose my service. And for my website, it's going to be a static site. So I'll just click on the first option that I have. In here, I'll then click the public Git repository, get one of my repository on GitHub. So it's going to be this one. Paste it right here, click connect. And then I will be able to go ahead and look at my files. So basically you could customize this to whatever you want to. You have your branch right here. You have the root directory, you have your build command, the publish directory. I'm just going to leave everything at default. And lastly, we have some advanced option right here if you want to customize it even further. Now, in my case, I'm just going to simply make this a really simple. I'm just going to click on the deploy static website. And right after, you just want to make sure to wait for it to finish. And then it will say that our site is now live. So if we navigate through the actual URL, we could see our site right here. That's how simple it is. As you can see, we have the static website nw1q on render.com. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.